product is good for the people that have a dry lips.
A Bond Spa Milk Soap brightens and moisturizes the skin. It helps to even out skin tone, reduce dryness, and use it 2 to 3 times a week for best results.
Rejuvenating product. These products are typically formulated to improve the overall condition and appearance of the skin. They are designed to help reduce signs of aging such as wrinkles and fine lines, as well as improve skin texture and tone.